Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see SC200 Microsoft Security Operation Lab 13, wherein we'll connect threat intelligence to Sentinel with connectors. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal and I'll go to the Microsoft Sentinel workspace that is onboarded to my Microsoft Sentinel. In this, I will look for threat intelligence. Here it is under threat management. I don't know why Azure portal is slow. Some days it is so slow that it irritates you. But be calm and do your laps. You see the threat intelligence option. I am sorry, you have to go to data connectors and search for threat intelligence. This is it. Open up the connector page. And under the configuration area, choose a friendly name. You can type fish URLs, API root URL. You can type in HTTPS. https://lemo.normally.com/v1. Okay, enter 107 for the collection ID. Username, type in guest. Password, type in guest. I'm just typing it for the sake of this lab. You can type in the proper credentials. You click on add button. So this is the already exists, that is why I'm not able to use it. But this is how you configure the threat intelligence using the data connector. I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.